In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on display section. Now you need to tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness, and as you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same switcher. But you can always go into tap menu as well and click on this little icon next to brightness slider. Now manage auto brightness from here and save your changes by tapping on done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!